So when do you install carpet in a renovation? This is probably one of the easiest answers of anything in a renovation. Carpet comes last, right before staging. Why? You don't want to install carpet in the middle of a renovation with all the dust flying, with painters in and out, doing touch-ups. You want all of that finished work done, the finished electrical, the finished plumbing. You may think that some finished electrical to put some outlet plates on, to put some lights up, doesn't make a mess. But I'm here to tell you these guys are messy, right? And they'll clean up, but you don't want your carpet to get messed up while your finished guys are doing their final touches to the renovation. So carpet, always the last thing you do before staging the home. So if you enjoy this content, if you enjoy home flipping tips, follow X Home Builds. We'll see you next time.